Let's see what happens in a typical coaching session. Generally, there can be 4 situations of a client when he or she comes for a coaching session. Number 1, the client comes with a known problem in his personal or professional life, and he or she wants to solve the problem. Number 2, the client comes with a lot of problems and feeling confused in their life. Doesn't know what to do, where to start, because everything is complicated, stressed and can't understand what to do. Number 3, the client comes with a dream or goal, personal or professional, and want to know the ways how to achieve it. And number 4, the client comes with a dream or a goal, but doesn't know how to achieve it and wants to find a solution for it. There are some pre-coaching interactions between the coach and the client where they know each other. The coach may be aware of the client's situation to a little extent, and they sign the coaching agreement. Fizz the time for coaching session, and then the real coaching starts.
Before we start, we talk. You share what you want to change. I listen. We find out if we are the right fit. This is important. We must be a team. This first talk is free. It is a chance for you to see my style. It lets you feel if you are comfortable with me. Coaching is a journey. You need to trust your guide. Our first real session starts with building trust. You share your story. I listen without judgment. This is key. You need to be open and honest. Honesty helps me understand you. It lets me see your strengths. We all have strengths. Sometimes we just forget they are there. This understanding helps me guide you. It lets me tailor my approach. Every person is different. Your journey will be unique to you. Next, we set goals. What do you want to achieve? Your goals must be clear. They must also be something you truly want. We break down big goals into smaller steps. Each step is a victory. We set timelines. This creates accountability. It keeps you moving forward. We track your progress together. We celebrate wins. We analyze setbacks. Life throws curveballs. It is okay to stumble. It's about getting back on track. Sometimes we need extra help. I may suggest resources. These can be books, tools, or even other professionals. My goal is your success. Remember, this is your journey. I am here to guide you. I am here to empower you. You have the power within you to unlock your potential. Let's begin.
This is just an overview of the coaching process, and there can be many different aspects of changes particular to a client and the coach. If you are thinking of hiring a life coach, this will be helpful to understand that coaching is not magic, but it's a scientific process in which both the coach and the client work together synchronously to achieve a desired goal.